Hi guys, this is Ayin and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have Wear It Out Wednesdays, and this look on my face right now is the final look that I'll be doing for Wear It Out Wednesdays using our palette of the month, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture Eyeshadow Palette. And sobrang nalulungkot ako na ito na yung final look kasi sobrang natutuwa ako dito sa palette na to. I decided that for today, for our last look, I'm gonna go with the greens, blues, yung mga ganong shades dito since hindi ko pa naman sila nagamit. And nagkataon rin na usong-uso ngayon yung mga green eyeshadow looks. Ewan ko kung napapansin nyo, pero maraming mga YouTubers ang gumagawa ngayon ng green eyeshadow looks, which I also did na, by the way. I just posted a green smoky eye makeup. So if you haven't seen that, I'm gonna link it, and I'm also gonna link yung first two looks that I did using this palette, and yeah, you can watch those after this video. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with today. Before we begin with the tutorial, if you haven't already, I would appreciate if you guys will hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you'll get notified whenever I post new videos, and so that you'll be part of our clique here. So if you guys want to know how I did this whole makeup look, then just keep watching.
Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Write myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad shit, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and my strings. Write my own checks like I write what I sing. Yeah. Just stop watching my neck, it's flossy. Make big deposits, my gloss is showing. You like my hair? She thinks.
Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You got me some type of way. It's just the feelings this way. I do not know what to say. Just know I shouldn't be the baby. One back and look at your face. I wanna know how you feel. Usually don't give it away, yeah, yeah. But you know I'm very good about it. Realize she's right there, and I'm like, damn, this. This shit always happen to me. Why can't we just play for keys? Practically on my knees. But I know I shouldn't think about it. You know what you're doing to me. You singing my songs in the streets, yeah, yeah. Acting all innocent, please. And I know you are thinking about it.
So there you have it, guys. This is our final makeup look, again using our palette of the month, which is the ABH Subculture Eyeshadow Palette. And again, nalulungkot ako na this is the final look na. But of course, you'll see more of this palette in my future videos, kahit hindi for Wear It Out Wednesdays, kasi sobrang nagustuhan ko siya talaga. And I'm glad na isa ako sa mga taong nagustuhan yung mga shades dito. I didn't find them hard to blend. And yun, baka you're thinking about getting this palette. So for me, this is a yes, definitely. So there you have it, guys. Sana nagustuhan nyo itong ating makeup look. If you did, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would highly appreciate it. I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again next month for another episode of Wear It Out Wednesdays, and we will use another new key item. So excited na ako kung ano ba yun, kasi hindi ko pa rin alam as of the moment. For sure, that'll be exciting. So yeah, I don't have anything more to say. See you guys again in my next video. Bye!